Hello, guys. I'm not Dory Hannum this time. Anyways, I have something to say. It was snowing earlier. Now it's not snowing. What is happening in Missouri? I live in Missouri, and it was snowing. I'm looking for her mom, but she was supposed to be coming. I'm a bad cameraman. Screw me. Yeah. Yeah, so, it's happening. I also bought a few toy guns, like this. I'll show you the other things. This thing. This thing, it's a knife. It's supposed to be a knife. These are all the Dollar Tree, so they're gonna break someday. Fuck. Ugh. You can see it's a grenade. It's supposed to be a grenade. Of course, these are all fake. Do not demonetize me, YouTube, please. Oh my lord, I'd be so angry if I got demonetized because of a gun. Toy guns, especially. Demo Ranch has real guns, and you don't demonetize them. So if you demonetize me, I will quit YouTube. Bye.